Hi friends, today we discuss about how to implement header and footer in our PDF. Let's initialize the header and footer functions in the document definition object for the pages in the PDF. Header and footer functions will get certain arguments such as current page, total page count, and page size information. So let's console it and see the data in it. Yeah, in console we get the current page. Here it's 1, total pages that's 2, 1, and page size information which consists of the width, height, and orientation of the page. Next we initialize this reference. Since the header and footer won't get the direct class this owner object, so we assign it to the this ref to get the PDF data. So let's build the header with the 2 columns and style them. We are defining the styles in another file. We are using the alignment property to align the text. Yeah, it's fine. In styling, we have a property to control the opacity of the text. We can specify the margin 40, 20, 40, 20. This can be also written in short form, that is 40, 20. So let's adjust the margins and other styles to get to the required design. Likewise, we are writing for the footer too. We are mapping current page number to the right hand side bottom of the page footer. If we need to give a logo in the header, it can be implemented. For that, we are creating the new file named logo in the assets folder. Declaring an object logo, and inside we are defining the base 64 value of the image to the header logo. And we are importing that file and applying it in the header. We use the property image to insert the image and also fit property to fit it to the required width and height. Okay, there's an error. Yes. It's due to the missing braces in import. Okay, all set. Let's see in the browser. Yep, it's rendered. Now let's style a little bit. Now let's give the title in uppercase. For that we use string to uppercase function. And that's it for now. See you in next video.